Good morning, children. I think you have completed all members in the yesterday activities. I'm so happy to see that because so many members yesterday completed the your works. So now open your studio. We discuss remaining. Children, yesterday I am given 4.5 and 4.6. You have completed this all. So many members are here also. So many members completed conversation. It is exactly correct. Okay, who are not completed still now, you have to complete these activities. Okay, because we are having exams on October 15 onwards, we are having exams. So mostly you have to complete thoroughly every textbook and companion CWs also. Today onwards we have to start CW, new books we are having. So one notebook, 4 rule. Okay, 4 lines you are having your books. So this book you have to use for CW 4 rule book, and in that CW you have to mention every lesson name. So first starting here you have to write lesson name and glossary in 10 words, and after that you have to start question answers. But every page you have to mention the day. Okay children, day you have to mention and write neatly, give in every word finger cap and write very neatly. Okay, CWs. So today or day after tomorrow I will send 4th lesson, 3rd lesson notes also. Up to now, first lesson, second lesson we are having question answers. The 2 lessons question answers you have to write in CW. Okay children. 3rd, 4th also you have to write in CW. Mostly we are completed in textbook. See children, already you know yesterday junk food. What are the junk food? So many fats, so much of carbohydrates in the junk food and oils. Okay, so this junk food is healthy? No. Okay, it is unhealthy food. So sometimes it's okay, but some members they are eating regularly. So don't eat like that. You have to eat healthy food only. Okay, children. So now open page number 63, 4.9. Here they are given 4 page. Discuss with your partner and write the names of 6 junk foods that are commonly found in our house or in the shops near your house. Any 6 food items, junk foods. Already you know so many junk foods. Every day you are eating that only now. So you have to write any 6 food items, junk food items. For example, noodles it is the junk food. Pizza, burger, ice creams, chocolates, everything it is the junk food. So any 6 items you have to write. Okay children. So very simple work now you have to do. Next one, see page number 64, 4.9 activity. Look at the foods shown in the figure 6. If you can use only 3 of these to make a healthy lunch for school, which 3 food you choose? Here they are given so many food items like fish, banana, meat, cakes, chocolates, eggs, carrot, okay, on water, everything they are given. So which one is you choose to school for lunch? You have to select any 3 items and write here. First food items you have to write, and after that what are the nutrients present in that food you have to note down on the blank. For example, I am writing here I want to take for lunch. So your choice, you have to write anything. First one I write meat. So meat, what are the nutrients present on that meat? Proteins. And next word I am selecting here carrot. Okay, carrot, what are the nutrients? They are present in the carbohydrates. Okay, vitamins and minerals. In carrot, which vitamin is present? A vitamin. Okay, A vitamin is very good for our eyes. And next one, egg. I will select egg because it has more proteins. Okay, and vitamins also they are having. So here I am writing these 3 and I am writing here nutrients. You have to note down in your textbook. Your wish, you have to choose any 3. Okay, no problem on that. And next one, see, look at figure 6 again and write the names of the junk food you see in the image. In this page, we are observing any junk food? Yes, chocolates and cakes there. Okay, these are the junk food now, so I am writing here. You have to write in the textbook. Children, next see page number 65, 3rd one. Page number 65, 3rd question, see. Rahul feels tired and sleepy after school. So what food do you think Rahul should eat to get energy and feel better? Draw pictures or write the names of 5 such foods. Okay, you have to write any 5 such foods. For example, you feel tired in the time you want energy. So which food items you have to eat? Mostly you like more carbohydrates. Which item is present? First you have to choose because they are energy giving foods. So energy giving foods you have to choose first. For example, here banana I select. So here I am drawing banana diagram. In that present carbohydrates. Okay, the nutrients present in the banana is carbohydrates. So like that, you have to write any 5 items, energy giving foods, any 5 items. You have to draw here pictures and mention the nutrients also.